Hello everyone, and welcome to Crazy Steve's RC. My name is Baru, and today we are in Crawler Corner. We're just going to do a small update on the VRD kit that we built. This is it all put together. We have our Reef servo right up front. We got the Fusion Pro tucked right in there. We have our receiver sitting right over here on the little plate that comes with the kit. We installed the little shelf, put our receiver on it, and yes, there is no receiver box there. That is a cut down balloon draped over it. I'll most likely put a small zip tie up here to help keep dust and debris out. But that should work just fine for competition crawling that we're going to be doing. I shouldn't be getting in heavy water or submerging it at all. So I'm not too worried about water, just kind of the dust and rocks and stuff. I just wanted to keep my receiver covered, but I really did not want to install a receiver box. So if any of you got any comments or just want to laugh at me or anything, you know what to do. Put it down in the comments below and let her rip, guys. But that's what I got going on. My little battery tray back here. My receivers wrapped in my balloon here. We put on the monster Reefs right up here. That's a monster. And then over here for the Fusion is where we installed the power button. I didn't know if I wanted it here or not, and if I don't, all I got to do is scrape it off and reinstall it somewhere else. But for right now, the body should clear that with no issues. Again, there's not going to be water or anything running up there, and I wanted easy access to put the balance port so I could run my program card off on the motor and everything right in there with no, didn't have to be all cramped and everything. So like I said, if I end up not liking where that's sitting, then maybe I'll do something about it. Now with the wiring, we got it tucked in as tight as we can. We made sure we had clearance. We wanted to make sure them wires didn't get pinched and weren't stretched. As you can see, they're pretty loopy in there. We got it tied up real good. And then it comes down here, and I tied it up again when it comes out of the motor. And then we ran it through just standard wire protector there. I came up over the top here, and we went in with some of the shrink wrap tubing. And then I just wrapped it in a little electric tape and then ran my wires right down into my receiver box. Here's the power wire. It's got plenty of power. Everybody said I should just cut it down and shorten the plug. But I really don't like soldering. So that's going to come up in how we hook the servo up. So we got the power right here. So the servo, the Reefs here, she's a direct power. So this guy hanging off right here, this is my direct power for my Reefies right there. And you can hook it in several different ways. You can cut into your power source. You can run out of your balance port on your battery. I chose to go with a little adapter that Reef sells and makes. And so I picked up this adapter. It's just going to go ahead and click in. It comes with 2 outs. Of course, 1 out I've already got the female to female, so I can hook up the servo and get it all hooked up. This other out will most likely be for a winch or something like that. I think I may end up running. I'm not sure. So that'll come up probably in a little bit later video. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause, and I'm going to hook this up. I'm going to show you what it looks like hooked up in the actual kit. So hang on, everyone. I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back, and this is what she looks like, all hooked up and tucked in there. And of course, the body's going to sit right down on top of this. But there's my little hookups. My battery hookup. And it just kind of sits right in there. I don't think that's going to cause an issue. It may not. I don't know. But we're going to power everything on here. And we went ahead and set our endpoints on the electronics and got our throttle and reversed the motor so everything runs like it's supposed to. Did that through the program card, and then we set up everything on the remote. And I just kind of want to show you. I have the steering backed off only to 80%. I'm not even at 100. My servo is nowhere even close to maxing out. But I want to show you how tight these things turn. I can't wait to get tires on it, because the tires are going to definitely rub, and I'm going to have to back this down probably close to 75, maybe even lower. But take a look at this. You can see them two front hubs, right? Get right down in there. Look at that. Look how tight that guy turns. I mean, when she's like that, that tire's going to be really close in there. So, that's pretty tight turning radius. We'll have to see how that pans out. Like I said, I'm a beginner in this. I have no idea if the parts I picked out are going to make us a comp-worthy comper or not. Me and Steve have never comped before, so this is brand new stuff for us. So we hope it's comp worthy. You know what to do, guys and gals. If you got comments and you think it might be or think it might not be, or think something we put on there's not really right for it, like maybe that servo needs to be faster. I don't know. It's pretty powerful, but maybe we want speed with it also. I don't know. Well, guys, we always thank you for chiming in with us on the video. And as Crazy Steve always says, please like, share, hit that notification button so you know maybe we put another video out. We're amateurs at this, as you can see. We're not professional in any way. But we do appreciate you guys coming and watching. And as Crazy Steve likes to say, smash, 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 smash that subscribe button for us. Thank y'all and have a good night.